What's up guys, I'm Austin Jonas with KickinPowersports.com, and this week we're going to be assembling the Mototec X2 110cc dirt bike. I'm really excited for this one because this is pretty much the first 110cc dirt bike on the market from China, as in it's like made in China, that's actually like a regular size. So like it's comparable with any Honda, Kawasaki, you know, whatever other 110 you buy. This is pretty close in size. So I'm really excited about it. It also is the most powerful Chinese 110 out on the market right now. It's comparable with like Honda's, Kawasaki's, like the Honda CRF 110F from 2021. It's pretty close in power. It's like 0.5 horsepower off from it, which is pretty dang close. So you upgrade the carb and then your bike is more powerful than a Honda and it costs, you know, a quarter of the price. So let's get into it. Oh dude, look at it. Oh, I can't wait to get that wrapping on. That's gonna look great. All right, so now we're gonna take the frame off. You only need to unscrew the bottom ones unless you're scared about scratching your bike. So I'm just gonna unscrew all the bottom ones and then cut the zip ties, then we'll be good to pull it off. All right, so now we have the box from inside the box. Pretty important. It has all kinds of good things. It doesn't matter, you're not gonna use the box, just tear it up. If you're strong enough to. Some people aren't. Like me. So you have the MCO. Oh, fudge, I tore it. That's not fun. Don't tear your MCO. Oh my gosh, that's a mess. I can get one remade. So MCO. Then we have the handlebar thing. Oh, which we need to put on the 125 still. The things for the handlebars. Mounts. And then we have the manual and the little tube. Awesome. All right, so we took all the wrapping off, all the zip ties off. There's like a million zip ties on it. Now we are going to put it together. So we're gonna start with the bars, then we're gonna put it on the stand, do the rear shock, fenders, then the front wheel, and then it's done. All right, so we're pulling these things apart. These are for the bars. We're gonna put this facing forward at the edge, screw that in with an 8, do that with both of them on both sides, and then we're gonna put the bars on. So I'll be back right after we twist that on. Yep. All right, so now we're gonna put the front plate on. We haven't put it on the stand still, but just not yet. We're gonna take these 4 little bolts and we're gonna take this boy and screw them on. First I'll hand tighten them a little bit so we don't strip them out. All right, so now we're taking this boy, push the little bolt through. Oh my gosh. Put these 2 little prongs right down there. In this, oh wait, we're gonna capture. I actually want to take this thing down. No, never mind. It'll be fine. We can take this and force it in this. Super cool. Okay, so I forgot to explain this. We're going to pull the front axle off and keep track of the speed rings and the washer and nut. Then we're going to lift the bike onto the stand. Then we'll put the front wheel on, and then we'll put the rear shock bolt through. Then we'll put the bar mitt on. I think we'll be pretty much done at that point. All right, so now we're putting the front wheel on. We're gonna put the longer spacer on the brake side and the shorter one on this side. Now I'll take the axle, and we're gonna slide it through a little bit. Got it. So now we're gonna put the back shock bolt on. Usually do it first, but right here I did it last. It's kind of interesting. Different bikes go different. Push that through. Tighten that down with the wrench. Call it good. All right, now we're gonna put this little thingy on. Just kind of have to wrestle it on. Call it good. A little bit more. All right. That thing. Okay, now we'll put this. So now we're gonna add this thingy on. Kind of forgot to do it earlier, so that's done with us. It's important to have the key properly on, so it goes on top. You just tighten her down. Okay, so fun story, Cardin left, the camera guy left, and I realized that we hadn't done the battery yet on the 110s. So I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come up to the 110, either or. Actually, it's a bigger 110, so there's the regular X2 Mototec. You're gonna come here, and there's a bolt right here that connects to the seat. It'll look like this, and it'll have a thing poking through, like like this little thing right there. Pull that off. You're gonna come in here and you're going to rip this tape off. It has little screws and nuts, and you're gonna put the nuts through these things. Then you're gonna connect the black wire to the black side, like this, and the red wire to the red side, like that. And so it seems really easy, and it is. So I'm glad I caught that though, so we could add that to the video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. This is the Mototec X2. Get yours now on kickingpowersports.com. They're going fast, so they might not even be in stock by the time we post this video. But thanks for watching.